How to add and manage multiple Instagram accounts from the same device. Do you have a separate account for your dog? Don't be embarrassed. Stand by your puppy profile. In fact, whether it's a pet account or a business account, you can add and manage this one right alongside your personal account. And I'm going to show you how. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the Instagram app. Then, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines to the top right of your screen and then click Settings. Scroll to the very bottom and click on Add or Switch Accounts. Here, if you've already logged into multiple accounts, you'll see two different accounts or however many accounts you have, or you can click on Add Account to log into an existing account. Just click on to log into an existing account and put in your login details. If you want to toggle between both profiles, hold down your profile picture and then you can toggle between the two. Alternatively, double click on the profile picture and it will switch you to your other account. Double click to go back to the original account. And that's all it takes to add and manage multiple Instagram accounts from the same device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this has worked for you. Thanks for watching.